And you say you were the one that linked Heavy D to Super Cat. How did that happen?
Yes. Well, every day come to my store, and one night we started a act tree in the Bronx, and I end up at the act tree, and every day said to me, say, Mr. King says Super Cat, and say, me link up Super Cat, you want to meet Super Cat. So I go over there to Super, I say, Super, every day you want to link with you, Super say, oh, no, Super did have a little she's fitting both. Oh, I meet about right. No. I said, no, Super, you have to meet this virgin, large every day. And that's how them link up. And say, all right, bring him in. I'm going to bring him in. And it's what them start link from there. So, and the thing chip off, big battery, and them start rock the place, and every day push out him best with Super Cat and get the thing going. And that was it.
That's crazy, because I know
even get Super Cat with Puffy for the Wisdom and soundtrack with Notorious B.I.G. And all of them. That's every day we link all of that together so that Super Cat could come in and do all of that.
That's crazy. And all of this is basically because of somebody linking up at a record store. You introduce to somebody and it just goes on and on and on.
On.
That's what.
Till reach crisscross, and she saw Super Cat most big time. Super Cat, yeah, but it's just my link. My link make everybody know Super Cat. But a lot of times we hear Super and them not talk it like it is. You know what I mean? If you talk like it is, I mean I'm over and I meet every day, I mean know everything. But every day, I mean every day I did mama and fly every day, brother was my manager. Okay. So all of that, we used to fly go all over the country, fly go Belize and all of them things when me and fly miles, because they are miles. You understand? So I'm the one who make all the link.
That's crazy. You're the one with the record store, and then you just put everything together.
Right. Puffy is a man that come piece up bad boy with the little him so have a son. When put the big hat on him and the big shoes and just put him up on the flyer. Bad boy, all of that is piece up in my record store in Mount Vernon. Has all of them kids. Puffy, the whole of them come right under my wings in my store.
That's wild there, because I know you have an album. This was, I think you produced it, but it was put out by Russ. The one with you, Heavy D, and Friends.
Right. That's me put on that album, and I give it to Russ to distribute. So, and at that time, Mr. Arafab, was supposed to do a big video with me and Heavy D, and him get an heart surgery at the time, and never happened. But the song was under us, and the album was all doing well at that time, and still around and doing what it's doing, because I know one who really go hard out and put out that album.
That's crazy. You and Heavy D and Friends on an album. That's big right there still. And again, it's just because this is why I like to have these conversations, because we hear the music Big Heaven with Brad, with Super Cat, Frankie Paul, Heavy D. But again, we don't know how these things actually really, really, really came together. What happened? How did we get here? But we're jumping up and dancing to these songs every night.
Robert Ffrench make it possible, because if it was a me to link Super Cat, it could happen. I might be rapping in a different life, but I was the one who was right there at the time to say, well, Super, meet Heavy D, meet Super. I love Super Cat, Me definitely is a Super Cat fan.
Yeah.
I love Super. Super, I'm a D like that. You see me? So, we just want to make the link, and I proudly make the link, and it happened.
You didn't produce anything with Super Cat, though?
No. Never produced anything with Super Cat.
It was just one of those things that didn't happen. Yet.
It didn't happen, yet. Yeah, it never happened, because what had happened is that Super Cat is, what I like about Super Cat, him always put out him to get film things on his level too, him doing the thing, and I don't know if him that produce himself too and other tip, but you know, him did always have him like a thing well put together and everything, and we did always respect that, you know.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusichut.com.